ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൻ്റെ 5th എപ്പിസോഡിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത് ഗ്യാസ്ട്രോ ഇൻറ്റസ്റ്റിനൽ ട്രാക്റ്റിൽ ആക്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്ന വിവിധങ്ങളായ ഡ്രഗ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചായിരുന്നു. അതിൽ തന്നെ 7th കാറ്റഗറിയിൽ വരുന്ന ലാക്സേറ്റീവിനെ കുറിച്ച് നമുക്കിന്ന് നോക്കാം. Laxatives are used to expel bowels. The strong laxatives are known as cathartics, which include 4 categories of drugs according to the action. They are bulk forming laxative, stimulant laxative, osmotic laxative, and stool softeners. First one is bulk forming laxative. These are the drugs that can absorb liquid in the intestine to increase the bulk to form a soft and bulky stool. The bowel is then stimulated normally by the presence of bulk mass. Example: bran, methyl cellulose, ispagula extract, sterculae extract, etc. The second category is stimulant laxative. These are fast-acting laxative, induce bowel movement by increasing the contraction of muscles in the intestine. Example: bisacodyl, dantrone, glycerol, sodium picosulfate, senna, castor oil, phenolphthalein, etc. In this, bisacodyl, phenolphthalein and sodium picosulfate are coming under the group diphenylmethane agents, and castor oil is a fixed oil. The third category of drug is osmotic laxative. They work by increasing the flow of water into the intestine to produce softer and easier to pass stools. Example: polyethylene glycol, lactulose, sorbitol, magnesium citrate, and milk of magnesia. The fourth category is stool softeners. They work by drawing water into the stool, making it softer and more comfortable to pass. Example: arachis oil, liquid paraffin, and docusate. Docusate is also used as surfactant and stimulant laxative. Bowel cleansing solution coming under the 8th category of gastrointestinal drugs. These are used for colon hydrotherapy, and it is done before colonic surgery, colonoscopy, or radiological examination. The 9th category of gastrointestinal drugs are local preparations for anal and rectal disorders. These are creams, ointments, or suppositories. They are used to treating conditions like itching, pain, or bleeding due to piles, itchy bottom, a split in the skin around the bottom, and constipation. Example: soothing and hemorrhoidal preparations. Corticosteroid, local anesthetic, and soothing agents are used in these preparations. Phenol oily injection is used as rectal sclerosant. The 10th division is drug affecting intestinal secretion. The first category is drug affecting biliary composition and flow. These drugs concentrated in the bile and decreases biliary cholesterol by suppressing hepatic synthesis, secretions of cholesterol, and by inhibiting its intestinal absorption. These are used for treating gallstone and biliary cirrhosis. Example: ursodeoxycholic acid. The second division is bile acid sequestrant. This is a group of resins used to bind a certain component of bile in the gastrointestinal tract and prevent its reabsorption from the gut. These are used to lower LDL cholesterol. Example: cholestyramine and cholestyramine. Third category is antifibrinolytic agent. These are medicines that promote blood clotting by preventing or slowing down the process called fibrinolysis, which is breaking down of the blood clots. These are used for treating hemophilia, surgical procedures to prevent excessive blood loss, and for heavy menstrual bleeding. Example: aprotinin. It is a bovine pancreatic trypsin inhibitor. The fourth category is drug used for pancreatic enzyme replacement therapy. The fourth category include the drugs used for pancreatic enzyme replacement therapy. Pancreatic enzymes are also called pancreases, pancrelipase, or pancreatin. These are the mixture of amylase, lipase, and protease. These are used to treat malabsorption symptoms due to certain pancreatic problems. ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്ന യൂട്യൂബ് ചാനലിൻ്റെ ഈ യാത്രയിൽ ഒപ്പം കൂടിയ എല്ലാ ഫാർമസിസ്റ്റ് സുഹൃത്തുക്കൾക്കും 1000 നന്ദി. സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നതിനോടും ഒപ്പം തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലപ്പെട്ട അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും കൂടി രേഖപ്പെടുത്താൻ വിനീതമായി അഭ്യർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു.